Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well and today's video is gonna be about topic or about the question answers of forestry. So let's get right into the video. This video is presented by Passionate Study channel. Here the questions are about silviculture, forest management, mensuration, community forestry, and other subjects also that are related to forestry. And here the first question is that after the handing over of community forestry, the ownership of forest is transferred to, and the options are DFO, CFUG, DDC, VDC. And here the right answer is CFUG, Community Forest User Group. Forest Act 1993 has defined community forestry as any national forest or part of national forest that is handed over to user group to develop, conserve and manage, extract, explore, trade or distribute the forest products by fixing the prices independently according to approved operational plan. CF is also defined as the forestry by the people, to the people and for the people. Forest Act 1993 and Regulation 1995 clarify the handing over of forests to community forest user group. And here second question is which is the largest national park of Nepal? And here options are Sefakshindo, Chitwan National Park, Parsa National Park, Royal Suklafata. And here the right answer is Sefakshindo is the largest national park of Nepal, which was established in 1984 to preserve a unique trans-Himalayan ecosystem, and it occupies an area of 3,555 square kilometer, and there are 12 national parks in Nepal. Here the third question is the major physiographic zones in Nepal are, and the options are 3, 5, 6 and 7. And here right answer is 5, and 5 physiographic zones of Nepal are TERAI, and it occupies 14% of total area. It is also known as Vavar. Second is Sivalik, also known as Mahabharat Range, and it occupies 15% of the total land. Third is Middle Mountain, which occupies 29%. Fourth is High Mountain, which occupies 19%. And last or fifth one is High Himalaya, which occupies 23%. Fourth question is the land occupied by TERAI is, and here options are first 17%, second 13%, third 14%, and fourth 20%. And the right answer is 17%. Terai is the lowland or plain area in southern Nepal. It is the most fertile and productive area of Nepal where agriculture is dominant. And here the fifth question is the point of diameter measurement of trees is at, and here option is 1.13 meter, 1.31 meter, 1.3 meter and 1.37 meter. And in Nepal, DVS is measured at 1.3 meter, and in India it is measured at 1.37 meter. DVS is standard for measuring trees. It refers to the tree measured at 3.1 meter above ground. And here the sixth question is the scientific name of KIMBU is, and here the options are Dalbergia bombaxiva, Suria robusta, Morus alba. And here the right answer is Morus alba. Dalbergia is of Siso, bombaxiva is of simol or cotton tree, and Suria robusta is of sal. Bombaxiva is also known as cotton tree. And here the seventh question is which one of the following is tending operation, and here the options are control burning, slash disposal, pruning, none, and here the right answer is pruning. Tending operations are weeding, cleaning, pruning, thinning, improvement, cutting, etc. These are pre-harvesting silvicultural treatment of forest crop or trees at any stage after initial planting or seedling. And here the another question is the study of minerals, plants, animals and chemicals on the fresh water is, option A is hydrology, B is aquatic biology, C limnology, D both B and C. And here answer is both B and C, aquatic biology or limnology. Here hydrology deals with the occurrence, movement and storage of water in the earth system, while aquatic biology or limnology deals with, or it is a program that focuses on the scientific study of the ecology and behavior of microbes, plants and animals inhabiting inland freshwater such as lakes, ponds, rivers, creeks, and wetland. And here the answer another question is the Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD) is drafted in the date. Option A is 1992 May, B is 1993 November, C is 1993 January, D is 1994 February, and here right answer is 1992 May. CVD has three main goals. First one is conservation of biological diversity. Second one is sustainable use of its components. And third one is fair and equitable sharing of benefit arising from genetic resources. And final question is the most harmful pest in the nursery is option A is cockchafers, B is cricket, C is white grubs, D is grasshopper. And here the right answer is white grubs. White grubs are the larval stage of beetles and they consume plant matter to help them to grow. They generally feed on the root of many herbaceous and woody plants, can be controlled by using insecticides. So they are harmful pests in nursery. Thank you. This is most for today. We will meet in another video. Thank you.